Fuck me. Driving through a full-blown snowstorm, April 1st, and this shit. Fuck. And all these transports. So much transports. Fuck my life. It is the stupidest highway. There is no shoulder. It's pure snowbank. Of course, after I work a 12-hour shift, I was up at 4:30 this morning, work until 6, wait until like 6:40 for the damn security guard to show up so we leave fucking site, to drive for 2.5 hours to Cochrane, and from Cochrane, I gotta drive home. That's like 4.5, 5 hours. This weather here, 5.5 easily. Pissed me right off. Look at this guy, he's buying the shit out of me. Fuck. Can't see nothing. This guy's stuck on the hill, I bet. Didn't even know it was a hill or something. Winter is not over, people. April 1st. This is insane. Probably like some of the thickest snowflakes I've seen all winter. I've driven this road countless amount of times every week. Worst road in Canada. Some point down the road here, there's like chunks of pavement missing on the shitty ass patch job that they did. And then they're gonna go and patch that job. Put little fucking patches on. And those are gonna fly out as soon as goddamn transport goes right through it. It needs new ball joints and fucking suspension. Tires and all. Already 11 at night. I should be in bed like an hour ago. No, I gotta drive through this crap. Crappy ass weather on the worst highway in Canada. April Fool's. If I ruled the world, things would be a lot better. Good tune. So, check this out, everybody. It's hard to be fucking positive in this kind of shit. I don't even know how I do it. I do it every week. Every week. Doesn't matter what is out there. I gotta tackle it by the horns, handle it, give her shit. Shouldn't have to do this. Shouldn't be like this. Should be at home every night with my family. I'm like 70 clicks at 11:30 at night. I got like 2.5, 3 hours to go. 2 hours, it should be 2 hours. Can't even see the road. It's probably one of the worst snowfalls I've driven through the all winter. It has to be in April. Highway 144, you suck. Sincerely, MCB. Okay, so 12:07 a.m. April 2nd. Storm is only getting worse. I've not seen one plow truck yet. This is getting out of hand. I just passed the watershed. I still got about, at this rate, 80 kilometers, not even 75 kilometers an hour. I got like 2 hours minimum.